Hey guys, what is going on? Long time no see. I feel like I haven't recorded a sit down video in the most longest of time. My camera has been in the other room. I've just been from it's just been a madness. But as you can tell by the title, I've got something to show you guys, which if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you guys probably would have seen it already what it is. I actually filmed this video already, but my memory card decided to, my tripod decided to. So let's get on and let's get into what the title's about. So if you want to see what's purring, keep on watching. So how have you guys been? I know the girlies are like, where's Sip and Slay? What's going on? What's happening? But I feel like I need to do a whole other video on that. Let me know if the lighting in my beauty room is okay. I was filming some TikToks. I was using that new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's cute. It's cute. I feel like I've got such new products and it's just been crazy, guys, crazy. I've actually got a photo shoot tomorrow for one of the biggest things that's actually happening to me. And I just feel like I can't neglect the YouTube fam. I can't neglect all the fam, really. So hopefully, well, not hopefully, it will be, you know. But anyway, Eylyre approached me last year to do another lash. And as you guys know, I feel so grateful to be a part of the Eylyre fam as being a gay black man in the beauty industry. Y'all know it's hard being gay. Y'all know it's hard being black, and plus I'm not in the industry. 3 Grammys, and they wanted to collaborate with me again. I just feel so honored and so blessed. Y'all know my first lash is Bad and Bougie. These are really nice. They can be worn at day and at night, and they flare out and they give you that kind of, you know, that kind of almond eye shape, and you can cut them in half if you wanted. They're really, really nice for that. I know a lot of people really, really love these, and these do so well. And I did have another lash called Snatched, but Snatched was a part of me, obviously, during the lockdown when I made that lash, but obviously we've grown since then. It's been 2 years, and I feel like Snatched had its time. She's discontinued. But we needed another bad bitch in the category. We needed something purr. We needed something that just said, like, I'm here, I can ride, very Kenya Moore-ish. So these are PURRR. So these are a faux mink lash. They're so flipping gorgeous. They're called PURRR, they're vegan, and they're just so beautiful. So when Eylyre originally approached me, I wasn't sure what kind of lash to go for. I was like, do I keep it on Bad and Bougie levels? Do I do something quite tapered and quite natural again? Or do I give the girl some drama? And I feel like I really wanted to do drama, even though what's weird is when I decided this decision, I feel like everyone was doing quite a dramatic lash, but now I feel like everyone kind of wants this style kind of lash like Bad and Bougie, but people still want a dramatic lash. I love Bad and Bougie so much, but when I wear lashes, sometimes I just want drama. Sometimes the bigger the lash, it just gives you such an impact. And I feel like this is why I did this video today, to show you guys. I know a lot of you guys are necessarily available in America, and they are not. And we are, if you guys can comment below this video, because I've been telling Eylyre for the longest, we need Bad and Bougie in America, and we need PURRR in America, but they're just not listening. We need both of these in America. I know you can still get Bad and Bougie on Look Fantastic and on ASOS and on Amazon, and I do think Look Fantastic does ship to the US, and we're gonna get these to the US, guys. I promise we're gonna get these to the US, period. But I've actually got a photo shoot tomorrow for something super exciting, which you guys are gonna love it. You guys are just going to love it. I know I haven't been on YouTube as strongly as I was as a presence, and a lot of factors fall into that, like, oh, let me put this chair up. That's what's different. My chair was a bit lower. I was like, something looks different. It was my chair. You know, a lot of things go into factors where it's just been so hard on here, and you know, when a platform isn't rewarding you in those kind of ways, you do kind of feel like you just feel a bit low and drained, and you know, there's a whole lot of factors, but I can't make those things beat me, and I can't look at numbers, and I love you guys so much. You guys have always been supportive. So yeah, these are the new lash called PURRR. I'm gonna open them and show you guys them up close. So they come with a glue already, and these retail for £10, and they are vegan fur. How cute are these? And these look super whiskey, and they're just so nice. And I do think people do get intimidated when seeing a lash like this. They're probably gonna think they're too big, they're gonna think they're too just dramatic, they're gonna think they're too much, but these actually look so nice, and I love them so much. They're probably like one of my favorite lashes. They're just so beautiful, and you can reuse them lots of times as long as you take care of them. Let me take this one off. I might have to cut. What I like to do is just kind of bend it just before I put it on, just so it's just preparing for my eye. These are so nice, and again, if you do like a dramatic lash, you will love these. I'm gonna just add some glue and put these on for you quickly. If you guys have any questions about them, I feel like I'm doing a live. I do miss Sip and Slay, and I am gonna do a live very soon because the tea has just been so hot. I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do on Friday actually, because I'm not doing anything Friday. And there's the tea on Beyonce, Marion, Sweet Tea. There's just so much tea, but we need to do a Sip and Slay. But yeah, so I'm gonna whack these on. Let me whack these on. I'll be right back. I love the lashes. See, when you put them on, this one is kind of annoying me a bit because I didn't stick on properly, but you can see when you put them on, they don't look as dramatic, and I feel like when you look at them outside the package, you're like, whoa. But I love them so much. So just a bit more dramatic, you know, a little lift. And these are exclusive to Boots. Again, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get them in the States, because we need the US girlies, not even the US girlies, the Canadian girlies, the US girlies, the Asian girlies, just the international girlies, you know what I mean? But I love them so much. I actually used the Anastasia, what's that palette called? Used what's this palette called? Novu. I used this palette on the eyes. I used this, and hold on, and that color there. Actually looks really nice. Again, there isn't a lot of transition colors over deeper skin tones, but it is nice if you would want like a cool tone palette. But it's very cool, very cool. Not enough matte, but it's pretty. But anyway, let me guys know what you think of the lashes, and I hope you guys, if you're in the UK, you can cop them. I've got so much more content for you guys. I've got so much foundations. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to get my editor back, because the amount of content I've got for you guys is actually a bit crazy. Oh, not my lash point off, child. It's a bit scary, but let me guys know if you have any requests or have any video ideas for me to do. I'm gonna do a Sip and Slay for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it was probably gonna be the last one, just because I really wanted to speak to you guys about that in another video, but I should save that for another video where we can speak and properly get ready. I might make it a live actually. That'd be quite a cool one to catch up while doing makeup live in the evening. Sip and Slay-ish, you know. Let me guys know in the comments. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it's been short and sweet, but I could not work another week and let you not let you guys know about the new lash child. Purr. Again, this is what the box looks like. Love you guys so much, and thank you for always your support, your love, and your continued viewership. Period.